So here we are once again inside the Country 88 Cruiser, and it's time to get our DJ's Family Restaurant Pizza and Pop for this week's Employee of the Week, Trish Gerbrandt.
I mean, we've heard some great stories about some great employees, but we've heard a lot of great things about Trish outside of work.
Yeah, we've heard a lot of really fun stuff, and I think all of us in the CRV here are interested to find out about this fear of bulls. But as you stressed, Tyler, we're not celebrating the bulls. We're celebrating Trish Gerbrandt this week. Hello.
How are you?
Good.
How are you? I'm all right.
First off, thank you very much for letting us come here today and bring a little bit of free food and that kind of stuff. And Trish, thank you for being such a good sport this week. Really enjoyed getting to share this stuff about how you're a super mom and you're just awesome to have around the workplace. And I said a few times this week on the morning show that your positive attributes list is literally a mile long. We couldn't print it all off, and that's why it was only just a tiny part that we heard on the radio this week. So you really do deserve this, whether you realize it or not. And I believe one of your coworkers actually said that. You're kind of tucked in the back corner here, and you maybe don't hear it all the time, but you are an integral part of the vet clinic, and that's why we're here today, is to celebrate that.
My name's Dr. Janessa Fanman.
What's your favorite part about working with Trish?
Trish is great. She's she's always there to talk when you need someone to talk to. She's such a wonderful, bubbly person to work with. I mean, everything is good about working with Trish. She's really great.
Stephanie McLean.
Why did you think Trish was so deserving of this?
Well, I kind of ended my pregnancy on a rough note, ended up in the hospital, so she really helped, with the insurance and filling out paperwork. And then when I came back off my mat leave, she was just fabulous at, easing the transition back from being stay-at-home mom to a very busy vet. So she's just been great, and that warm smile to come to work too. And
So has she been razzed a little bit at work here this week?
a little bit. I don't think she was quite expecting the bull story to make it on. I think her husband refers to her as a local celebrity, so it's not just us who's given her a hard time. I think it's a lot of her friends and family.
These girls are wonderful. I couldn't ask for better help around the clinic. They all just do their part and everybody works together. It's fantastic.
I mean, we've heard a lot of great things about a lot of great people through this contest. And the cool thing about you is that not only have we heard you're a great worker, but you're a great mom, you're a great person. I mean, what does that mean to you for all these people to say that stuff about you?
Well, it's wonderful. It's overwhelming, actually. I'm actually speechless.